Hey there, Lennar fans. Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're doing a model preview walkthrough of the Washingtonia floor plan. This is part of the Manor line of homes that you're going to find at many of Lennar's Southwest Florida's communities. And the Washingtonia is going to give you 6 bedrooms, 4.5 bath, the 3-car garage, a loft, and over 3,800 square foot. Best of all, within all those specs, you have a mother-in-law type setup, which Lennar calls their next generation suite. Let's check this out. So here, this is the front door to your main home. This would be the entry to your mother-in-law suite. So you have your own private entrance. But as we come into the main entryway here, to the right, that's the stairwell leading upstairs to your bedrooms and the loft. And then you've got your main living spaces here. So you've got a dining area dedicated right there. You've got this nice great room design, and then you've got the kitchen tucked away here in the corner. So you get a full appliance package. You've got the corner pantry there, quartz countertops, and then you've got your eat-in kitchen area right here as well. But best of all, you've got this nice great room set up here. Now, coming across the great room, we're going to take a look at the next gen suite, or the mother-in-law type suite. So this is it right here. So you've got your main living area here. And then right off the main living area, you've got a kitchen, the entry to your single car garage. And right across from the kitchen here, you have your laundry space with the stackable washer and dryer. The bathroom for the next gen suite here, and then the actual bedroom portion right here, which has a door leading out to your lanai and a nice walk-in closet here. So that's the next gen portion of this home. Now, right across from this area, you have the entry to the main 2-car garage. Right through here, you've got a nice closet space here, but you also have a powder room here on the first floor with the singular sink and the commode. That way you don't have to go upstairs to utilize a restroom or go into the next gen suite to use that restroom. Now let's go check out the upstairs of the Washingtonia. As we get to the top of the stairwell here, we're going to land right at the loft area. Huge loft area, so plenty of space for an additional TV room, fun room, you name it. Now off to the right here, we've got the first guest bedroom here. And right off of that, you have the guest bathroom here with the singular sink, the commode, and a combination tub and shower. And then you also have a linen closet right there. Now on the other side here, you've got a few more bedrooms. Here's one right here. The other right across from it. And then just before that, you have another guest bathroom here with the double sinks, the commode, the combination tub and shower. You've got your laundry room right here with full-size washer and dryer. And then we come to the last guest bedroom right here. Last but not least, upstairs you have the master bedroom. It's a huge master bedroom here. So really nice size here. The closet is enormous. That's a huge walk-in closet there. And then you have the master bath here with the linen closet, the soaking tub, the dual sinks, the shower in the corner here, and then your water closet right there in the corner. So that's everything on the upstairs. Now, last but not least, as we head downstairs, we're going to take a look at the exterior lanai space. So right across from the great room, you've got the triple sliders here, and this opens up to your lanai. Really nice size lanai under truss here. So plenty of room here under truss, and then also if you ever wanted to add a pool to your home, tons of space there. All right, folks, so this is the Washingtonia floor plan. If you're interested in this floor plan or one similar to it, you can reach us at all the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto, and we appreciate you watching.